Cheese. Can you say happy birthday, Aunt Lisa?
Yeah.
And can you say I love you, Aunt Lisa?
She's hot.
Say I love you, Aunt Lisa.
She's hot.
Can you say I love you?
I love you. She's hot.
I love you, Lisa. Say happy birthday, Lisa.
Happy birthday.
Tell her that you played with her balloons.
Boo.
Balloons. Say love you. Love you, Aunt Lisa.
You touched my camera?
Nobody touched anything.
Oh. Nobody touched anything?
Nobody touched anything.
Okay.
Look. What?
Nobody touched my birthday?
No.
And not these and not these?
No, nobody touched anything. Okay, can you show me your candy canes?
I can't.
Why not?
Because I'm too busy.
Can you not be too busy for 2 minutes and just show the camera what you made?
I made this.
What is that?
I can't break it.
What is it? You don't have to touch it. Just point to it. Tell me what it is.
It's a candy cane.
Okay, great.
And these are candy.
Okay.
These candy slimy birthdays.
And that's a birthday. Where are the candles?
Here, and this is a broom.
And a balloon that you made for her. Now, how many candles did you put on Aunt Lisa's cake?
1, 2, 3.
Can you tell her that in Hebrew?
I can't.
Okay. Why? Because you're too busy?
Yeah, too busy.
Okay.
I have to get my phone.